Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay and enjoy the great content that I'll be posting. So in this video, it's my monthly grocery haul where I go to the supermarket, I go to the meat shop, and I get my market stuffs, right? So that's what we're gonna do right now. If you're coming from my last video, don't watch my hair, okay? Do not watch my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox these groceries. I don't get my fruits as yet. I don't get the market things as yet, like the grown provisions and all of that. So this is just grocery haul and few things I got down in the market. All right, so stick around. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video, you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. So let's get right into this grocery haul. Alright, so first thing first, we're gonna do the meat shop. I never really get everything I want at the meat shop, and true, rain did a fall and everything. I never go no at a meat shop or anything. I just take what I get at that meat shop because I did just want to hurry up and come out of town, and I still end up stuck in the town late, which I not really like that still, but let's go. So I have my box right here. This, you meet them in this. Obviously I'm gonna get everything. I'm gonna get my mutton, I'm gonna get the sliced fish. I asked them if them did have beef instead of mutton. Them not have no beef. Then I said like, what the hell? Sure. Alright guys, so the things them kind of melt right now, but let's go. I got, see there, it a leak. So I got 5 pound of mixed parts. Never really want to buy no meat because I promise myself so I'm going to kind of cut off my meat a little bit, the chicken a little bit. So anyways, I buy 5 pound of mixed parts. I also bought 5 pound of grunt fish, the one them are already scale we call it grunt or gut, one of them, but 5 pound of that, guys. It a leak, but I'm gonna show this through. So instead of the sliced fish, I take them here. I also order 1 pound of saltfish. I'm not seeing a saltfish. Wait, guys, I order 1 pound of saltfish. You see, you good for check your bag, You good for check your bag before you come out. I order 1 pound of saltfish and I don't see the saltfish. I don't see the saltfish right now. I hurt. I really hurt, I just know say something not right, To me, I hurry and just show. 1 pound of saltfish, my order. No, I don't see saltfish. Really hurt. Anyways. Case of juice, Capri Sun, and case of true juice. Yeah. Guys, I'm really hurt with the saltfish. I'm really hurt. But the show must go on. Yeah. Alright guys, so about the saltfish, I message the person and I really left the saltfish. Him say him never remember to put the saltfish in the bag. I'm there right there, so but me didn't watch the bag. So I say, oh, I'm not put the saltfish in the bag. Anyways, let's go. So I bought 25 pound of flour, 25 pound of rice. All right, so I'm showing you 25 pound of flour. I never get it like in a big something. Them just give me 5, 10, 15, 20, 5 pound. 5 pound. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 25 pound of flour. Guys, this is going to serve me for months. Yeah. 25 pound of flour, 25 pound of rice. Months. That are going to serve me for months. Yeah. So I also got 1 gallon vinegar. A gallon or a jug? I think a gallon. Yeah, vinegar. Ketchup. And cooking oil. Yeah. Alright guys, so as me say in other grocery hauls, them the things them not in order. So anything me take up, shown. Okay, so this is case of tissue. Alright, so this is the kitchen and bathroom storage rack, but I'm gonna use it for the kitchen. I have too much things up on the counter and I just want things look organized. You know, I just want my place look like, you know, organized. So I got this. I bought this storage rack. I hope I see it properly. So you know, we can put the seasoning them when we have here. So or if it have some tin things like, you know, like you baked bean them or something, when me not have no space for me can put them on the rack and something. But I'm gonna set it up and see how best it looks, you know, or how best it helped me out. So yeah, I got this. Market stuff, them now gonna come till Thursday. Today Tuesday. So my market things them now gonna come till Thursday. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna merge the videos. Yeah, I'm gonna merge the video them for you see when we get the market things them and this grocery haul, you know. Alright, so yeah, I grab 2 plants because I know so I'm not get the market things them now. I have to grab them here for you know breakfast tomorrow and all of that. I got banana just tomorrow Wednesday, just for serve me till me get the market things them, you know. Yeah, 1 big Tropicana, 2 Scotch Brights, 2 always panty liner, and I also got these stick razor. Let me show you. This is a very good stick razor. You can buy it. Yeah, very good. So these are for my bathroom. Yeah, you know, let me get something here. Let me take it out. So these are for my bathroom. Yep. Also got napkin, shampoo, condition. I love this brand, so I always get it, and it's very good. Air freshener, bleach, mouthwash. This may bring with me, can hold in my bag if I bring at the villa, and this can go in my bathroom. Oxymaster. Protect soap. May buy more soap, but them in a one different bag. As me say, it things them now organize. So anything me take up, when me I go show you. So this is 3 pack, 3 coming out. Yeah. 2 ruffles, 1 parrot biscuit. As me said, me get about, I think me buy them in a 3, but they're in a one different bag. So me just clear out everything in a this bag. I think me said that already, right? You know, we got You know, I have to get a cran juice. I bought 6 of this. I also get the cran water. I bought 6 of this. Guys, it's something to this. It things them just all they all about the place. Look how I almost forget some of the things that when me get down a market, like the bush them. Well, this is Cinco Bible. I get it from my auntie. Yeah, I get it from my auntie, so I never have to buy that. But I got Leaf Alive, Fever Grass, Cersei, Coal Bush. What she said this name, Jack in the Bush, Coal Bush, yeah. And I also got mint. Yes. I also have another bag from Donga Market. I got lime. Uno could tell me say I saw lime expensive. 1 dozen lime, $800. Tell me. 8 bills. But get it anyways. Yeah. I don't normally buy lime, but lime a good something for having in your house. So why not get it? You know, flu time, rain or fall, people go sick. Lime. Yeah. And I got 2 breadfruit. 2 breadfruit. $500 for one. $500 for 1 breadfruit. And we can just pick off a tree. Anyways, 2 breadfruit. Kisco, I got 2 of this. 2 Kisco. Lasco, I got 6 of this. Vanilla Lasco. Burger, 2 of this. Corn on the cob. Apple juice. Nuggets. Guys, I bought Red Stripe beer. Yeah. So I got the lemonade one. And then I have the sorrel beer. The watermelon one. So lemon, sorrel, and watermelon. 3 Malta. Apple J. 3. 3 plantain chips. Tea, about 6 of this. French vanilla, 6 of this. Coconut biscuit. Cheese sticks, 3. Banana chips, 3. 3 of this. Bun, about 6 bun. You know, I have a cock soup, and I have a cook with soup at Saturday time. So about 3 of this. Chip, 3. I'm gonna try these dried cranberries. Yeah, go try them here and see how it tastes, because you know it's a cranberry good feel. So dried cranberries, I'm gonna try that. Better pot curry, cause who love curry like me? Curry chicken, curry goat, I mean that. Yeah. Tin milk, about 4. Corned beef, about 6. Alright guys, see the other stuff them here. You have the cock soup. You have the chicken noodle. And we also have this type of chicken noodle. Yeah. So, all of them are 3. Mega punch. Ping pong. This are me. This are for me. Ping pong. Peas. Alright, so this is banana oats. I'm gonna try this. Yeah, oats porridge, but it's banana flavor oats. Yeah, go try this. Maybe I try this. I got another mega punch. I wonder if a mega punch we just showing. A mega punch we just showing or one vanilla one. But this is our next one. Small cheese. I don't really like cheese like that, so I'm just buy one small cheese. Sugar. Mac and cheese, I got 6 of this. pancake syrup. I buy a pancake, but you know, say that in a different bag. So this is the syrup. Liquid vanilla. Pringles, about 3. Lemon juice. Maggi fish seasoning. Jam. Yeah. Peanut butter and jelly. So this is the grape jam. Ensure Plus. Get it today. About 6 of this. Oh, water. I buy 3 little water. But then water are for my sister. So yeah, I buy 3 water for my sister. Baking soda. Alright, next bag. My all a sweat. Guys, 3 combo pack. And when I always tell you no, I buy all of these snacks because guess what, I have to part them up. Because snacks them now go done one time. Okay? So yeah. Remember so when I shop for the month. So I have to make it things them serve for the whole of the month. And by in a month, I buy for the other month. So this a shopping here of June. Okay? So 3 combo pack. More Ruffles, more Chi-Chi. See the other chicken noodle. Coconut milk powder, about 3. I tell me say I love crackers because cannot serve long in this house. So I buy 4 crackers. About 2 small ones and 2 big ones. See the pancake here. Pancake. Milk. Sweet corn. Big chiffon butter. Foil paper. Tongue. 6 supplicant. Next bag. Alright, so I have a small box right here. One big oats. Big oats. Salt. My next ping pong for myself. Bridge. 3 of this. And 3 of this one. So 3 chocolate, 3 strawberry. Alright, see the other mega punch here, the vanilla one. Yeah. Peppermint tea bag. And Tetley tea bag. Butter kiss, strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. Let me have for myself lunch. Jerk seasoning, Ovaltine, about 6 of this. Final something now. Final bag or box or whatever. But I want big container. I buy one big container so you can hold the grocery them. In a small one, you can hold. So about this big container, but them pack some stuff in it. I got 2 towel. Yeah, 2 towel. Garbage bag. Dettol. Dishwashing liquid. Suavitel. Downy. Wipes. Curves. Big fab soap. Paper towel. Toothpaste. Ziploc bag. Yeah, double seal. yeah, soap, and 3 blue pear soap. And that is it, guys. Huge grocery haul. See the pan here. It very big, can't hold the grocery them in it. Me say me tired, me tired. Tired. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pack out the something them, put what go in the fridge, in the freezer, and pack out and go and set up and ting. Okay? When me get the market stuff them, I'm gonna see what me get. The grown provision and fruits and all of that, people. Yeah, me sweat up now. So I'm gonna go pack up, I'm gonna go bed. And I'll see you when I get my market stuffs, okay? Alright guys, so I'm here to do the market haul. Alright, so I got my market stuffs. So let's go ahead and do the haul. As I said, now watch how I look mad. Yeah, it was a very long day today. So let's go. So first we have Wonders Orange. Yeah. Wonders Orange. Watermelon. We got some eggs this week. Yeah. 1 tray egg. We have some bananas right here. Alright, so in this bag I have pak choy. Yeah, in this bag we have some pak choy. I got some pineapples. Yeah, 2 pineapple. Callaloo. Wonders apple. Sweet pepper. I think it's 2 pound sweet pepper. 2 pound tomato. Scallion and thyme. Cabbage. Plantain. 2 pound of carrot. 2 pound Irish potato. 2 pound onion. 2 pound sweet potato. Wonders green banana. Cucumbers, and the last one is 2 pound pumpkin. That is all for this market haul. All right, so guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.